In this video, I'm going to quickly take you through the bonuses which you'll receive from me, providing you purchase Videze through my link. Okay, so currently, at the time of making this video, there's 10 bonuses added. Now, throughout the course of the day, I shall be adding more, but I wanted to get this video out and just show you exactly what you're going to get. So the bare minimum this is. So first of all, how to promote Fiverr gigs to get non-stop sales. Now, in the last video, if you watched it, I talked about making money with Videze by selling logo reveals, videos, animated videos, whiteboard videos, that kind of thing on Fiverr. Now, in order to get more and more sales, take a look at this training guide. It's a PDF and it will show you how to get more sales through Fiverr. So you probably know that it's free to set up your account on Fiverr. You don't need to drive traffic or anything like that. You set it up and basically start making money. The second one is my own Clickbank process. This is perfect if you're just starting out. It involves nothing more than finding an offer on Clickbank, which is kind of auto approval. So there's no messing about with, asking somebody to approve you or not getting approved or anything like that. If you're just starting out and you find it difficult to get approved, difficult to start making money as an affiliate, go over to Clickbank, follow this guide. So you'll pick a Clickbank offer, doesn't matter what it is, and then I'll show you the free software to use that enables you to spy on your competitors. Once you do that, you can swipe their ads, you can swipe their keywords, and basically plug it into your own campaign. And then I'll show you how to drive some cheap paid traffic. So by doing this, I've been able to make money consistently. It's very, very easy, and it's perfect if you're just getting started. Now, YouTube Rank Analyzer, basically what this software does, and it is a software, it allows you to drop in one keyword and then find the best keywords for any particular niche. This allows you to focus in on traffic, on the right keywords, which will allow you to rank and draw in lots of visitors. It's like researching a niche before you actually start. So you can drop in any phrase, any keyword, and this software will find the best ones for you. And then you simply use those phrases, add them to your video description, video title, and in many cases, you'll rank instantly. The next one is a plugin which will allow you to revive old posts. So if you have a blog, you probably do, maybe you do, maybe you don't, but if you do, and I suggest you get one, then what this plugin will allow you to do is to spin old posts. So it will take old posts and it will auto post those to your social media accounts. And what this allows you to do is draw in more traffic. So all of that work that you've put into your existing posts, you can make it work for you over and over again. The next one is Pinterest. So pin buttons attached to images. So any image you have on your site can have a pin button attached to it. And what that means is, somebody clicks that button, that image, and it'll pin that image, that post to Pinterest. Again, this is fantastic for driving free traffic to your blog. Now, I'm sure you know that images are crucial in any online business because it draws attention. With this plugin, you can search through 1 million plus images. Now, these are royalty-free images that you can use on your blog as headers in posts, anywhere you like, and you can do it all from your WordPress dash using this plugin. Social Locker will allow you to lock down posts, parts of posts, and in order to unlock them, people have to share, they have to like, and the result of this is viral traffic. So if you've got a great piece of content and somebody's really interested in it, they get halfway down the post and then all of a sudden it's just locked. They can't read the rest of it. The curiosity makes them share, and it makes your post go viral. And obviously the result of that is more traffic. Here we have a bunch of cutting edge animated PowerPoint presentation slides. Now there's over 220 PowerPoint slides here. They're animated. You can use these for your own projects. You can build projects for clients, which would work really well with Videze. So you'll also get this whole pack when you purchase through me today. Now you've seen that Videze includes logo reveals. Now what if you could actually offer the logo as well? So rather than just doing the logo reveal, what if you could actually produce the logo for your clients and sell that service as an add-on on Fiverr? Now, you can do that quite easily with free software. And in this training package, I'll explain exactly how to produce these logos. Again, this is using free software, so there's nothing else to pay for. Watch your training videos and start making logos for yourself and for your clients, obviously. Now, you've probably seen that Gif Images are really, really popular. They're really popular because they draw attention. Giphy is perhaps the leading platform. With this plugin, you can instantly add Gif images to anywhere you like on your blog. So, as I said, there's an awful lot in there. You'll get everything. I'm not going to ask you to purchase upsells or anything like that. If you buy the front end of Videze, and I'm talking about the commercial license here, then you'll get everything that I've just shown you in this video. And by the time you actually come to download or come to access this page, there is likely to be additional products added. But like I say, this is a bare minimum. So if you purchase today, this is what you will get. You'll probably get more, but you'll definitely get everything that I've shown you here. Now, the reason I mentioned the commercial license, yes, it is $10 dearer than the personal license. But with the commercial license, as I've already mentioned in a previous video about making money with Videze, if you have that license, you can sell those projects and you can make money almost instantly on sites like Fiverr. So I highly recommend that you get that one. If you do, you're going to get everything that I've shown you in this video.